Hey everyone, it's David from Aesthetic Solutions, and I'm really excited about today's segment. In the past, you've seen me. My objective was to give you ideas to build your businesses. Number one, I've given you ideas such as bundling your treatments to be more effective with your patients. Number two, creating signature treatments so that you differentiate yourself from your competitors. Today, I'm actually going to talk about a product that I'm really excited about. It is called the Aerolase Lightpod Neo 1064 short pulsed laser. And what makes it special is several different things, but I'm going to really highlight 5 different things for you here today. First and foremost, it will allow you to do many treatments and unique treatments. I'm not talking about hair removal and a little bit of pigmentation. For instance, the device has a bruise setting on it, and everyone has, that has done injectables has created bruises around the eyes. The problem with that is the patient walks and, could be 10 days to 2 weeks that they have a bruise with your name on it. So the Lightpod Neo has this setting where it targets the hemoglobin so that, number one, it won't happen if you do the treatment before, or if it's happened or if someone comes to you, you can get rid of the bruise very quickly. So warts, skin tags, onychomycosis, toenail fungus, many different things that you may not be doing presently that are going to allow you to become more profitable. All right. So number 2 on the list, I've got 5 total. Number 2 is that the device has no consumables to speak of. That's a big deal because I talk to a lot of folks, and every single month they're spending hundreds of dollars to run their lasers. No need to do that with this device. All right, so that's going to save you on your bottom line and increase your margin right away. Number 3, and this is a big one. This is a real big one. No pain to the patient. Patient comfort. When that happens, that's a really key thing. And we all know when the patient comes in, they're kind of auditioning you a little bit. They're a little nervous. And if their experience has been great, they're going to come back and do a lot more treatments. So this device will allow you to do that. And, everyone who comes to the door, number 1, you can treat for something. And number 2, or you can do, 5, 6, 7 different treatments, for each of those patients that comes through. And again, more profitable. So very excited about that. Number 4 is the device is really easy to use. 2 things have made that happen. Number 1, the deck or the setup of the laser itself is really simple. All right, very simple. You're going to touch a couple buttons and you're treating. Number 2 part to that is the protocol manual is fantastic. Hats off to Aerolase on this. They did an amazing job. They made it very simple for anyone who wants to run the laser. When you look at their manual, it will give you an overview on one side of that section for that particular treatment. And on the other side, it will give you specifics, what Fitzpatrick to treat, what settings as far as fluents. Everything is there, really laid out well. So it makes it, again, very simple to use. So that's a big deal, all right? And then number 5 is the device is virtually maintenance free. That's a big deal because so much of what happens is the yearly maintenance, you're having to buy extended warranties, and it's really costly for you, to run the practice. This device is air cooled and not liquid, so it is virtually maintenance free. That's a huge thing overall for you. So those are some highlights with the device, and I really encourage you to check it out. You can go to our site. We are Aesthetic Solutions. If you want to go to abeautifulsuccess.com. You can check out all the particulars of the device. And with that, I hope everyone is having a great summer and continued success. Thanks.